Okay, in this next start screen video, we're just going to go over some of these bottom dialogues. It's pretty self-explanatory, just adding new orders, adding cases, deleting cases, etc. So first we're going to go ahead and add a new order, the first one here on the left-hand side. Now, if we have a dentist highlighted, for this case it's CEREC doctors, normally when we hit add new order, CEREC doctor should actually default into the dentist. It used to be like that, but in this release version it is not, so hopefully in future updates we will see that. So we'll go ahead and enter CEREC doctors as our patient name. We'll call this one test 2. You either have to enter a scan date or an order number. We'll just call the order number test 2 and then go ahead and hit new case. So now under the dentist CEREC doctors, we have test 1 and test 2 from adding a new order. If you wanted to add a new order under a different category here, you would just have to enter that dentist name underneath the dentist. So if I click on Scramstead and edit, you can see the dentist name is Scramstead. So back to CEREC doctors, the next thing is edit order. That's pretty self-explanatory. If I wanted to edit something on this test 2, just highlight test 2, hit edit, and you can change a technician, a scan date, any kind of order number right in there. Delete, again, self-explanatory. If I wanted to delete test 1, just highlight that, hit delete, verify, and it is gone. Okay, so on the last three delete cases, obviously in the CEREC doctors test 2, there's no cases because I just actually added that new order. So if I want to let's find something that has some cases. If I go to this patient, Cheryl Fisher, you can see underneath the order is where my patients are. The patient is Cheryl Fisher. Underneath Cheryl Fisher there is 4 cases. Okay, so if I wanted to go ahead and delete this case, we would click delete and verify. I don't want to delete it, so I'll hit cancel. So you can delete that. If I wanted to go ahead and open this particular case that's highlighted, you could either double click here or click on open. If I wanted to open the framework on tooth number 13 and 14, either double click that or open. Okay. Now if I wanted to add a whole different case underneath Cheryl Fisher, you simply, I have Cheryl Fisher highlighted, and then you can hit add new case. And the very last thing that we see here on the start screen is our Sirona Connect portal. This is if you have your own lab account and you are actually sending cases to yourself. On the lab side, we can go ahead and click on the Connect portal and it'll open that up for you. And you can go ahead and log into your account and see all the different cases that you have sent to your lab. So we're not going to go through the portal right now. We'll save that for a different video. And that is pretty much what this start screen is all about.